Foreign currencies. Your database will be created with a general fund in base currency, and as we know, you can create as many other funds as you wish. You can also add foreign currencies, and this is done through the Foreign Currency Maintenance program. So this is under Nominal Ledger, Foreign Currency Maintenance. So here is the euro, for example, and we've given it an exchange rate, and this rate can be overridden for any transaction that we enter in euros. We've also got the gains and losses account. Where appropriate, will be used to book automatically any gains and loss due to exchange rate differences on the euro. Having set up the foreign currency, we next need to add money accounts in those currencies. So we have a look in nominal maintenance. And here we have a euro bank account. And as you can see, the currency code is set to euros. Wherever you see this currency code in a maintenance program and it's left blank, it means it's in base currency. Only if we want a specific currency, we would enter something into this field. Having set up the foreign currency, they can be assigned to donors, suppliers and customers, in which case all transactions input to those will be in that foreign currency. Also, funds can be declared as being foreign currency, in which case for foreign currency funds only transactions in that currency can be entered. For base currency funds, we can book transactions in any currency, but we can book base currency and foreign currency donations to the general fund, for example, but we can only book euro transactions to a euro currency fund. The same applies to projects. Now let's have a look at some of the input programs. If we were putting in a money transaction, for example, income and expenditure, then the currency of that transaction is determined by the money account that you would use. So let's have a look at expenditure bookings. So if we select our euro bank account at the top here, you'll see now it displays euros and has an exchange rate. The exchange rate that's displayed on the screen comes from that's set in foreign currency maintenance. You can override this at this time if you need to. So what you do is you fill in the references as you would do normally. And once you've entered everything in, what is to be booked through here is 500 euros to come out of the euro bank account, and the base amount will go against the equipment purchases, and this amount will be computed using the exchange rate that you entered. For sales and purchase ledger transactions, the currency of the transaction will be determined by the currency that's set against the customer or supplier. For money movements in foreign currencies, and then if they were in the same fund, then we would use the money transfer program. So make sure the effective date is correct. Select the relevant fund, give it a reference. So let's say we're taking out of our bank account, putting it into the euro bank account. And we're going to take out 1,000 euros. So this is £1,000 we're taking out of the bank account, and the base value is going to be 1,000 as well. So now it's computed using that exchange rate. It's going to be 1,100 euros. And then confirm and record. If you wish to make money movements between currencies and funds, then you would use the Inter Fund Transfers program. So as you see, you would enter the fund and money account that you're transferring to and from. Some reports, like the debtors list for example, have the option to output the report into either foreign or base currency. Finally, we have a currency revaluation program. In here, we would give it a reference and the date you wish to value up to, and it will take the exchange rate that's set in the foreign currency maintenance program. If you wish to use a different rate, then you must make sure that this is set in the program first. Now you select the accounts you wish to revalue, so you can do all accounts or you can revalue just a certain set of accounts. If you revalue all accounts, these are the money accounts and the outstanding balances for the sales and purchase accounts. So it will do that according to the exchange rate set, and any gain or loss that it finds will be automatically put to the gains and losses nominal code that's set against that currency. And that's a brief tour of how foreign currency works.